This creamy garlic salmon is so delicious. It can be served with rice, pasta, potato, vegetables, or whatever you fancy. Try some! Hi everyone, I'm Naomi. Welcome to Naomi's Filipino Kitchen, where all my Filipino recipes are all presented in English. Today's recipe is creamy garlic salmon. Here are the ingredients of my creamy garlic salmon. Salmon, spinach, cooking oil, garlic, lemongrass, tomato, fish sauce, ground black pepper, coconut cream, ginger, salt, and onion. Now let's start cooking. Wait until the end of this video for a sneaky peek of some of my other recipes. Wow, what a lovely piece of salmon. Before we start cooking, let's cut the salmon. Cut in the center first. We cut it into 4 slices and then cut them and then. Now it's ready. Now season your salmon with salt, ground black pepper, and ginger. Now that's ready to be fried. Now let's start cooking. In a preheated pan, add the cooking oil. Once the oil is hot, add the garlic and saute until the garlic turns golden brown. Stir. Smells absolutely gorgeous. Once the garlic turns golden brown, add the onion. Mix it up. I love that smells. Once the onion turns soft, add the tomato. Mix it up. Once the onion is soft, just move to one side. And we can start pan frying the salmon. Skin side down. Do it gently. Make room for the other salmon, guys. There you are. Done. Cook this on a high heat for about 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, just add the aromatic lemongrass. As you can see, the salmon turned to pink in the bottom. Time for now to add the coconut cream. This coconut cream makes your salmon really creamy. Now time to add the fish sauce. And give it a stir, guys. Gently stir Cover and simmer on a medium heat. After 3 minutes, let's add the spinach. Cover and simmer for 2 minutes. After 10 minutes of total cooking time, my creamy garlic salmon is now ready to serve and enjoy. Here we are guys, my creamy garlic salmon, ready to enjoy. Now let's try it. Firstly, the salmon is really moist and I can really taste the garlic, lemongrass and ginger really coming through, and it works really well with coconut cream. You have to try this guys. I hope you enjoy my creamy garlic salmon today, and if you like it, then like it, and if you love it, please subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you soon.